Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. Effective ways to get rid of earwax at home. Do your ears feel blocked? The sudden feeling of blocked ears can root from multiple reasons, the accumulation of excess earwax being one of the most predominant one. Is it normal to have earwax buildup? Earwax buildup is quite common because of our body's normal mechanism of protection against the foreign particles. Are there any natural ways to get rid of them for good? There are actually a number of ways in which you can not just get rid of the earwax, but also clear out the ear canal without imposing any kind of negative impacts in the ears. Let's take a look at some of the primary ones. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is the basis of a majority of the eardrops that you use on a regular basis for getting rid of the earwax buildup. It is also possible that while hydrogen peroxide is considered as one of the main components for softening and dissolving of the earwax, apple cider vinegar. The combined effects of the antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory as well as the mild acetic acid properties helps in softening as well as dissolving the earwax in the ears, and thus helps flush them out to clear out the blockage that is causing the partial loss of hearing temporarily. Baking soda. Baking soda has effective disinfectant (R) and antimicrobial (R) properties which help dissolve the hardened and solid earwax. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has been a very potent remedy for a number of health ailments and clearing out the blocked ears. The medium-chain fatty acid present in the coconut oil mimics that of the sebum and doesn't negatively impact your ears or ear canal. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in moisturizing and softening properties which play a key role in getting the earwax removed effectively. It makes the hardened earwax pliable, which makes it easier to get it out of the ear. Almond oil. Even the almond oil has beneficial lubricating properties which helps get rid of the hardened earwax. It helps in getting rid of it easily on multiple applications. Garlic oil. The combination of anti-inflammatory as well as antimicrobial properties of the garlic as imposed by the active compound, allicin, is actually quite beneficial in getting rid of the associated problems imposed because of excess earwax buildup. Rubbing alcohol. While the combination of hydrogen peroxide works the best when it comes how to clean earwax, the combination of rubbing alcohol with vinegar works just as good. The combination has been in use since long back in history and actually does provide with amazing results. Warm water. The warm water has moisturizing and lubricating properties which help in softening the hard earwax. All you need to do is to ensure that the temperature of the water is perfect so it doesn't harm your ear canal, and also make sure that it doesn't stay for too long. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It is believed that consuming a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids is quite beneficial in regulating the production of the earwax and thus helps prevent the excess earwax buildup which often ends up causing the blockage. Keeping the ear canal clean is a must. Whatever the remedy you use, be very careful of not poking too much around the ear canal because that gets things to become worse. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.